Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sell items on the Roblox Marketplace. So we're gonna go to roblox.com/home, and here we wanna press on the third tab, that is Create. So after we're taken to the Create website, we wanna press on Dashboard right here, and then we're going to navigate to Avatar Items. And right here you can create a t-shirt that we're going to sell. So I have plenty of t-shirts, but I'm going to show you how it works. So you're gonna press on Upload Asset, make sure you follow these requirements, click on Upload, and then just upload your image like so. You can write a description, a name, and you press on Upload. Now I already have this one, so I'm just going to click on it. And how do we actually sell it? If we want to sell it, we press on Sale, right, like so. We set a price, for example 70 or 200 Robux, and we press on Publish. However, it costs 10 Robux for us to sell this if you don't have Roblox Premium. So if you have Premium, it is free for you to sell items on the Roblox Marketplace. So hope this was informative, hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.